At McWane Ductile, we are committed to providing a safe work environment for our employees. We strive to not only comply by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration standards, but to also continuously improve and build a strong culture of safety in our facilities. The Voluntary Protection Program, VPP, is a program created by OHSA in 1979 to recognize organizations for their exceptional performance in the field of health and safety. The program consists of the laborer, the management of the company, and the government working together to improve safety throughout the facility. In 2009, members of the union at the McWane Ductile, Ohio facility visited a VPP site and felt the program would be beneficial to McWane. They brought the idea back and presented it to the company, who agreed and created a VPP coordinator position to handle the program and increase its effectiveness across the whole plant. On August 19, 2010, McWane Ductile, Ohio plant was recognized as a VPP star site. Later on, the McWane Ductile, Utah, and New Jersey facilities received VPP status as well. The safety culture that has been created by the program allows all employees to have a voice in their safety and provides an additional line of communication to management about safety issues. Since the VPP program has been put into place, injuries have gone down. At the Ohio facility, recordable injuries have been reduced by 82% since 2009.